Okay, maraming salamat po sa inyong paghihintay. At muli tayo nagbabalik para sa ating third set. Tabla tayo. 2-all-1. Orion on the service. Oh! Oh! What a block! Pero outside nga lang, puntos para sa team B. Not over. Bautista on the service. Good serve. Here comes Pinili. Nayangat dito. Oh! Puntos para sa team B. Opya. Drop ball by Richard Soles. Puntos para sa team A. Here comes. Oh, inside by Iya Cabizon. Iya on the service. Ayan na, drop. Bautista setting on to Richard Solis inside. 4-2. Iya Cabizon on the service. Edwin will receive. Drop ball by Bautista. Nando si Pinili. Setting on to Lars. Pinaon ni Lars ang bola ron. 14-3. Ayan, panalo po sa set number 2 ang Team A. Kung kaya tablat sila ngayon sa second set. Pasensya na po, pero na-save ko naman po yan. I-repost ko na lang po ang second set kanina. Richard Solis on the service. Here comes Lars. Oh! all four. Here comes Lenega. 5-4 ang ating score. He's an endless service. Good serve. Richard will see Bautista setting on to the kanay. Ayan na si Hizon. Pinalik ni Lars. Iya was there. Bautista setting to Oraye. Block from behind pero merong touch. Net touch. .65 po ang ating talaan. Dakanay. Oh. Ayan na. Setting on Dakanay. Hizon will receive. Bautista to Oraye. Ay, siya there para kay Oraye. 7-5. Ryan receive. Yun ang ating Hizon. Setting on to Lars. Nice dig by Solis. Binalik ni Oraye. Pinili, binigay. Hizon to Ferdy. Drop ball. At naipasok ni Ferdy. Lenega. 7-6 ang ating talaan. Lars Comprado on the service. Lars Received by Solis. Here comes Oraye. Ooh. Outside. Change favor. Oh, sorry. 7-6 daw po ang ating talaan. Change favor. Solis will receive. Ayan na si Dakanay. Puntos para sa Team B. Coprado on the service. Coprado. Received by Richard. Yun lang. Not over. Service ace coming from Lars Coprado. Timeout dito ang Team A. Official score is 10-7. Kaya po yung ating official, according sa ating official po, 10-7. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Team A. Ayan, pasensya na po at nag-aantay sa live. Panalo po sa set 2 ang Team A, kung kaya tabla ngayon ang ating laban between this Team A, Team B, All-Star. Lagi lang ayusin po Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Official score 10-7 in favor of the Team B. Vasco Prado, Richard will receive. Oraye, pinigay kay Dakanay. Ferdy, oy. Basket is good. Or not over. 10-8 ang ating talaan. Dakanay on the service. Good serve. Nakuha yan. Pinili Irigay to Ferdy. Oh! Check in by Ferdy. Deniega. 11-8. Here comes Ferdy on the service. Richard Bautista setting on to Oraye. Touches daw po. 12-8. Ayan na. Oh! Inside coming from the Team A. Wow, 9 on the service. Here comes Pinili. Block. Hinabangan. Pero net touch daw po. Correction. Puntos para sa Team B. 13-9. Oy, no. Not over. Coming from our former Kagawad Richard. Ricky Pantaleon. Oh, inside coming from Iya Cabizon. 11-13. Good serve. He's on setting on to Pinili. Miscommunication there. Wala na, drop ball para ito. Jersey number 8, Pinili. 14-11. Ayan na. Oraye, Bautista setting on to Richard. Oh! Umahabol ang Team A. 14-12. Iya Cabizon on the service. Here comes Iya. Good serve. Ricky will receive. Izon setting on. Lars. Bautista was there pero hindi na ipasok ng Team B ang bola. 14-13 ang ating talaan. Cabizon Iya on the service. Good serve. Ayan na libero. Setting on to Pinili. Oh! Inside. 15-13. Akyat sa dalawang lamang ng Team All-Star Team B. Pinili on the service. Richard to Dakanay. Naiangat ni Pinili. He's on setting on to Ferdy with a drop ball. Oh! What a nice shot there para kay Ferdy Deniega. 16-13 ang ating talaan. Here comes Pinili on the service. Austin on the service. Richard was there. Bautista setting on to Richard Solis with a quick attack. 16-14 ang ating talaan. Here comes Richard Solis on the service area. Good serve. Ayan na, naiangat. Here comes Season 2, Ferdy. Nandun si Iya, Wiladig. He's on setting on to Ferdy with a drop. Oh! Not over. Nice shot there coming from Ferdy Deniega. 17-14 ang ating talaan. On the service area, jersey number 0 or number 8. That is Hizon. Good serve by Hizon. Richard will receive. Here comes Dakanay. Hizon was there. Inangat. Binigay kay Ferdy. Nandun. Inangat ni Hiya. Here comes Oraye. Hizon was there. Ferdy setting on to Angel. Oraye will dig. Binigay kay Oraye. Ferdy. Richard was there. Bautista to Oraye. Inangat. Ayan na si Ferdy. Binigay kay Lars. Nandun si Iya. Bautista setting on to Dakanay. Yun lang. Outside. Puntos para sa Team B. 18-14 ang ating talaan. Hizon on the service. Hizon. Richard will receive. Bautista setting on to Oraye. Oraye knocks it down. 15-18. Baba sa tatlo ang lamang ng Team B. Here comes Ryan. Ayan na. Inangat ni Hizon. Binigay kay Lars Coprado. What a nice quick attack coming from Lars Coprado. 19 or diba? 19? Lars Coprado on the service. Inangat ni Richard. Bautista setting on to Dakanay. Hizon. At di na nga umabot doon. Official score is 16-19. Baba sa tatlo ang lamang ng Team All-Star Team B. Here comes Dakanay on the service. Dakanay, good serve. Pinili receive. Here comes Ferdy. At hindi nakuha ang bola. Puntos para sa Team B. Ayan na, Ferdy Deniega on the service area. Ferdy, Richard will receive. Bautista setting on to Oraye. Naiangat ni Lars. Here comes Pinili. Richard will receive. Bautista setting on to Oraye. Pinili was there. He's on setting on to Pinili. Oh! What a nice shot coming from Pinili. 21-16. 5-point lead para sa Team All-Star Team B. Here comes Ferdy on the service. Dakanay will receive. Bautista setting on to Iya. Oh! Away! It's outside. 20-16 ang ating talaan. Here comes Ferdy. Deniega will serve. Richard tinawid at walang nakakita. What a nice drop ball coming from Bautista. 17-22 ang ating talaan. Oraye on the service. Lars will receive. He's on setting on to pinili. Ayan na. Naiangat ni Oraye. Bautista to Richard. Naiangat ng libero. Here comes Angel. Edwin will receive. Richard will receive. Bautista papalo si Richard. Ayan na. Grabe yun. Makapagpigil hininga. Hindi pwedeng tumunga ka lamang. Ayan na. Oraye once again to the service. Here comes the libero. He's on with setting on. Ooh, it's a net touch. Puntos na naman para sa Team A. Ayan na si Oraye on the service area. Lars will receive. He's on setting on to Pinili. Wow. Ayan na, mukhang babalik sa Team B ang panalo. Tignan natin yan. Angel on the service. Angel Valdez. Oh, kinapo si Angel doon. 23-20. Here comes Bautista on the service. Good serve para kay Bautista. Angel receive. Here comes Libero. Pinili with a free ball para sa mga Team A. Ayan na si Richard. Papalo at binao na nga ni Richard Solis ang Team B. 23-21. 2-point lead para sa Team B. Here comes Bautista on the service. Good serve para kay Bautista. Lars will receive. He's on setting on to Pinili. Bautista will receive. Iya setting on to Lord Richard. Back-to-back basket coming from Richard Solis. At nakahabol na nga ang Team A. Bautista, what a nice dig. Ayan na si Sir Edwin. Angel tinawid. Richard was there. Ayan na, papalo na naman si Richard Solis to tie the game. Tabla tayo sa 23. All 23. Warning, warning, warning. Tignan natin ang huddle ng Team B dito. Okay, let's go to the ball game. Back to the ball game tayo. Bautista on the service. Jersey number 11 for Team A. Good serve para Bautista. Angel will receive. Ferdy binigay kay Pinili. Oh! Hindi pumasok. Tira ni Sir Edwin. Ayan na. Nabaliktad na ng Team B. Ng Team A ang kalamangan. Bautista. Edwin. Oh! What a comeback from Team A. At sila na po ang nanalo sa set number 3. 25-23 sa pagtatapos ng ating third set. Grabe yun. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol pa rito ang Team A, o Team B rather, sa ating pagbabalik ng ating fourth quarter. Shoutout muli sa ating mga katrabaho dito sa ating San Juan City Hall. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. At sa mga kakasyonin lamang po, maraming pong salamat. This is the All-Star Game sa ating Men's Volleyball Division na ating San Juan City Olympic 2025 or San Juan City Employee Olympic 2025. Fourth quarter coming up. Please don't go away. Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth set tayo. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang all-star ng Team B. Here comes Richard. Oy! Check out nga lang po yun. 1-0 coming up from Richard Solis. Napalakas na lang. Tila doon ni Pinili. Bautista on the service. Angel will receive. Izan setting up to 40. Oh! Outside din. Bautista on the service. Pinili will receive. Ayan na. Izan setting up to Lars. Oh. Puntos ulit para sa Team A. Bautista will receive. Ayan na. Purdy, check it out. Puntos yan para sa Team B. Sabi ni Purdy, pupuntos naman kami. Hindi lang dagi kayo. Here comes Hizan on the service. Good serve para Hizan. Oray will receive. Bautista setting on to Richard. Drop ball. Oh! Puntos para sa Team A. 4-1. 3-point lead para sa Team A. Yeah. Ayan na, binigay. Purdy, nayangat. Here comes Richard. Oh! Puntos na naman para sa Team A. 5-1. Cabizon on the service. Outside. On the service area, Lars Caprado. Good serve para kay Lars. Naiangat dito ni Iya. Bautista setting on to the kanay. Naiangat ni Lars. Here comes Pinili. Binigay din ni Niega. Iya will set. Bautista setting on to Richard. Oh! Richard Solis. Ayan na. Tuluyan nang nagpaparamdam sa ating all-star. Richard Solis on the service. Oh! Here comes Lars. Binalik sa kabila. Iya will receive. Bautista at the back row. Binigay kay Lars. Lars was there. Bautista to Iya. Oh, sorry, that's Valdez. Pero hindi nga lang na ipasok ni Angel Valdez ang bola ron. Ayan na. Richard Solis once again on the service area. Pinili will receive. The Anay. Oy! Good. Sir Edwin will. Iya was there. Bautista setting to Oraye. Oh! Check it out. Lumalaki na ang kalamangan ng Team A. Richard Bautista on the service. Naiangat. Here comes Deniega. Hindi daw pwede yun. Kailangan namin makabawi. Sabi ni Deniega. Ayan na. Naiangat. Deniega. Binigay. Pinili. Uy, naiangat ni Iya. Bautista will drop. Izon was there. Deniega. Binigay kay Pinili at naipasok na nga doon ang bola. Official score is 4-8. Down by 4. Purdy on the service. Good serve. Naiangat ni Richard. Bautista setting on to Oraye. Deniega was there. He's setting on to Pinili. Oh, inside. By jersey number 8. Pinili. Time out dito ang Team A. Official score is 5-8. Down by 3 ang Team A. Time out dito ang Team A. Tingnan natin ang kanilang handle. Okay, back to the ball game. Ferdy on the service. Oraye will receive. The Anay selling on to the for Oraye. Pinili at binigay sa back row. Iya was there. Bautista binigay kay Oraye. Pinili. Deniega binigay kay Pinili at the back row. Iya was there. Bautista selling on the Anay. Block by Edson. Oh, at na ibalik doon. Hindi Anay ang bola sa Team B. Puntos para sa Team A. 9-5 ang ating talaan. On the service area, Ryan. Ayan na, naiangat. Here comes Edwin Crisologo. Ayan na. Si Mamshi Edwin. What a nice quick attack coming from Sir Edwin and Crisologo. Here comes Angel Valdez. Oh, Ray Valdez. Oy! What a nice dig by Lars. He's on setting on. Dakanay with a block. Inside from Dakanay. 10-6. 4-point lead para sa Team A. Dakanay on the service. Good serve. Angel will receive. Ferdy setting on to Edwin. Nandun si Richard. Inangat ni Ferdy. He's on Ferdy. Binalik. Dakanay was there. Rich Bautista setting on to Iya. Na iangat ni Hizon. Ferdy setting on to Pinili. Na iangat ni Sir Richard. Oraye setting on to Iya. Pinilis. Ayan na. Na iangat. Oraye. Bautista will setting on to Edwin. Oh, sorry, that's Oraye. Na ito na good hustle by Angel. Ayan na, si Dakanay at the back row. Lars was there for the drop ball. Oraye. Oh! Sayang. Ang tira doon ni Iya. Sayang daw. Ayan na, Sir Edwin Crisologo. Mamshi Edwin on the service area. Here comes Mamshi Edwin. A good serve. Iya will receive. Bautista setting to Richard. And Richard Solis. Once again, binomba ang depensa ng Team B. Puntos para sa Team A. Oraye on the service. Good serve para kay Oraye. Hizon will receive. Ferdy binigay kay Pinili. Oraye will dig. Richard setting on to Iya sa gitna. Angel will receive. Ferdy binigay kay Lars. Oh! Wow. Sayang yun. Outside nga lang. Puntos na naman para sa Team A. On the service area once again, Oraye. Here comes Oraye. Ayan na, receive ng Libero. Pinili binigay kay Hizon. Drop ball. Iya was there. Bautista setting on to Richard. Drop ball. At naipasok na nga ni Richard Solis ang bola. 13-7 in favor pa rin sa Team A. Oraye. Naiangat ni Hizon. Ferdy setting on to Lars. Naiangat ni Ryan. At doon nga lang sa outside. 13-8 ang ating talaan on the service area. Jersey number 8. Pinili. Here comes Pinili. Good serve. Iya will receive. Bautista setting on to Richard. Oh! Whoa. Putos para sa Team A. Isa check it out. On the service area, Bautista from Team A. Good serve para kay Bautista. Pinili will receive. He's on setting on to Lars. At pinao naman ni Lars. At nakabawi ang Team B by Lars Comprado on the service area. Oh, correction. That's Izon on the service area. Izon setting on. Richard will receive. Bautista setting on to Richard. Binigay sa back row. Libero was there. He's on setting on to Ferdy. At yun na. Inside yan para kay Ferdy Deniega. 14-10 ang ating talaan. Baba sa 4 ang lamang ng Team A All-Star. Hizon will receive. Ayan na si Solis. Solis na naman. Papalo. Nandun si Pinili Bidadig. Hizon setting on to Ferdy. At nandun naman sa kabila si Oraye. Bautista setting on to Solis. Pinili was there. Hizon setting on to Ferdy. At naibaon ni Ferdy ang bukla. Back-to-back basket para kay Ferdy Deniega. Baba sa 3 ang lamang. 14-11. Naghahabol dito ng panalo ang Team B. Ayan na. Cabizon setting on to Richard. Here comes Angel Valdez with the hand time. Iya setting on. Oy, Deniega. Ayan natin na kanay. Oraye binalik sa abila. Pinili was there. He is on setting on to Deniega. Block from behind by Solis. Wow. Richard Solis. Use their experience dito sa volleyball. Here comes Iya on the service. Libero will dig. Ayan na si Lars. Binigay kay Ferdy. Oraye will receive. Bautista setting on to Richard na naman. At nayangat ng Libero. Sayang outside. Puntos na naman para sa Team A. Cabizon on the service. Pinili will receive. Ferdy binigay kay Lars. Oraye was there. Ayan na naman si Solis. Inside out. Ayan na, timeout dito ang Team B All-Star. 17-11. Nag-ahabol ang Team B. Back to the ball game. Tignan natin kung makakahabol dito ang Team B All-Star. Malalaman natin yan. Iya on the service. Nakuha ng Libero. Ayan na si Hizon. Papalo si Lars. Ayan na. Si Lars Coprado. 17-12. Baba sa 5 ang lamang ng Team A All-Star. Coprado Lars on the service. Oraye will receive. Bautista setting on to Solis. Binigay sa back row. Naiangat ni Lars. Binalik ni Hizon. Here comes Iya. Bautista setting on to Richard. Pero nandun si Pinili. Ayan na. Oy, Lars was there. Ferdy binaon. Iya was there. Bautista na naman. Binigay kay Solis. Pinili was there. Here comes Hizon to Ferdy. Block by behind. Pero this time, puntos yan para sa Team B. Coming from Ferdy Deniega. Babawi at hahabol daw ang Team B. Here comes Lars on the service. Iya will receive. Ayan na. What a nice shot there para kay Dakanay. Jersey number 4. Official scores 18-13. Akyat sa 5 alit ang kalamangan ng Team A All-Star. Here comes Richard Solis. Pinili will receive. Bautista setting on to Deniega. What a nice hustle by Iya. Here comes Oraye pero hindi na ipasok ang bola ron. 18-14 ang ating talaan. Here comes Ferdy Deniega on the service. Iya will receive. Bautista staring on to Dakanay. Hizon was there. Lars binigay kay Pinili with the hang time. Oraye will dig. Bautista. Lars. Ferdy staring on to Edwin. Go! It's a net touch. Puntos para sa Team B. What a nice shot there para kay Cristologo. Edwin. Ayan na, substitution. Agravante coming in. Ayan na si Sir. Official score 18-15. Ayan na. Oh! What a nice service ace coming from Ferdy Diniega. 16-8, down by 2. Ferdy Diniega on the service. Na iangat ni Iya Bautista, setting on to Solis. Quezon was there. Ferdy setting on to Pinili. Na iangat. Pero this time, check it out. Nakaya na. Umahabol na ang Team AB. 17-18. 1 point lead. Timeout dito. Ang Team A All-Star. Ayan na, pinupush ng Team A, Team B All-Star na magkaroon ng fifth set. Tingnan natin kung mangyayari nga yan. Okay, back to the ballgame tayo on the service area. Ferdy Diniega. Oh! At yan na nga, tabla tayo sa 18. Ferdy Diniega on the service. Good serve. Solis will receive. Bautista setting on to Oraye at naunahan ni Sir Edwin Cristologo. Okay, change favor. Excuse me po, at inuubo pa ako. Alright, 19-18. Lamang na ang Team B All-Star. Ferdy Diniega on the service. Bautista. Oh! Buhay pa ang Team B. Here comes Ferdy Diniega on the service area. Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa. Puntos para sa Team A All-Star. Ayan na. Diniega. Uy. Solis will receive. Bautista setting on to Oraye. What a nice dig by Hizan. Ferdy binigay kay Pinili. Pinili with a quick attack. 21-19. Ayan na, apat na lang. At magkakaroon tayo ng fifth set. Angel Valdez on the service. Oh! It's a stepping on the line. Isa lamang ng Team B. Good serve para sa Team A. What a nice dig. Eh na si Pinili, pinakona at sinigurado. Pero bakit? Wait lang. Nako po. (22-20) Wow. Nako po, kailangan pa naman dito si Pinili para sa Team B All-Star. Okay, substitution tayo, official timeout. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Punta naman na tayo. Okay na ulit si Pinili. Sir Edwin Cristologo on the service. Solis will receive. Bautista. Drop ball by Iya. Ferdy. Rios binigay kay Pinili. Solis was there. Ayan na naman si Solis. Block from behind by Lars Coprado. Oopsie, sorry. Outside daw po yun. Puntos para sa Team A. Oraye on the service. Oraye, inangat. Ferdy will setting on to Pinili. Hindi umabot ang tira doon. Tabla tayo sa 22. Oraye, inangat ni Hizon. Angel to Lars, tinawid. Oraye will receive. Ayan na si Iya, binigay na naman kay Richard. Oy, naiangat ni Lars. Ferdy, naitawid. Ayan na si Dakanay. Iya, binigay na naman kay Ferdy with a drop. Oh, parang net touch yun. Puntos para sa TMB. Buhay pa ang TMB. Grabe ang laban na to. Dikitan lang. Kailangan manalo. At sinusubukan manalo ng TMB. Oraye will receive. Iya, binigay kay Richard Solis. At this time, tabla tayo sa 23. Sabi ni Solis, hindi pwede, mukhang wala na tayong third set. Wala lang fifth set. Hanggang fourth set lang tayo. Tingnan natin yan. Ayan na, ang libero. Lordy, Ryan was there. Iya, biligay kay Solis. Ayan na! Last one para sa Team A. Richard Solis is in the house. Ayan na for the win. Nandiyan na libero. Hizon, binigay kay Lars. At sabi naman ni Lars, hindi pa pwede. Ahabol tayo. Meron tayong juice to. Grabe yun. All 24. This is the all-star talaga. Ayan na si Hizon. Bautista will receive. Here comes Iya to Richard. Oh! Wow! At nakabawi doon si Richard Solis. Balik ang alamangan. Last one na naman ang Team A All-Star. Ayan na, tatapusin na ba to ni Iya Cabizon for the win? Pero sabi ni Pinili was there. At pasensya na po at dito na po nagtatapos sa ating laban. Di ko nakuha ang muli. Nag-overheat tayo. Pasensya na po. Alright. Congratulations to our winning team. Our final score 27-25. Panalo po ang Team A. Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and congratulations. Pasensya na po na nagkaroon tayo ng overheat. And congratulations for Team A. At sila na po ang tinanghal na kampiyon at tatanggap ng 10,000 piso sa ating All-Star Game dito sa San Juan City Olympic 2025 Men's Volleyball Division. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Happy birthday po to Kagawad or our Sir Rhyme de la Cruz.
Thank you very much. Okay, for the player of the game 2025 goes to jersey number 15.
Whoa!
Richard! Ayan! Ay, parang silang 1 point. Okay! Sponsored by Vice Mayor Attorney
Congrats.
Anthony.
And our finals MVP.
Eto na, syempre, pinakahilig
Ay, sorry.
for the
Player of the game.
10,000. The winning team, 11,000 pesos! O, diba? Syempre, Team A! Congratulations! You'll receive 11,000.
Congratulations.
Ayan. Yung mga wala, bibigyan din.